Hi, I'm Chester Williams, the founder and CEO of A Better Chance, A Better Community, also known as ABC2, and we're here today in Conway, North Carolina at Conway Middle School. Today, a nutrition activity for the students here. This is a partnership between Healthier Generation and Healthier North Carolina, the Northampton County Schools School Health Advisory Council, and ABC2 to bring nutritious activity, healthy eating, active living opportunities for our students. Today we brought produce, where they had the produce distribution. We also had different stations where they learned about healthy eating, about My Plate, learn about different types of healthy alternative drinks like flavored water and regular water and unsweetened tea. They learn about making a healthy snack and being active, like boots on the ground, what we all do now. So it was just a wonderful time to share in fellowship with community and with the students of Conway Middle School. So we're very proud of this moment. And if you'd like to do one near you, just let us know. We can partner to do some things like this with you as well.
Good evening. Good evening. My name is Darren Parker, principal of Conway Middle School, aka the C. We are excited about the program that is going on today to talk about healthy eating. It is a great organization. We are proud to be partnering with the organization, and we're looking forward to great things. We'd like to thank the organizations for coming out and partnering with us in making sure that our students are nourished and have healthy eating habits as well.
My name is Kenneth Austin Jr., or Coach Austin Jr. I am a PE teacher and athletic director for Conway Middle School. This is my 7th year teaching, 4th year here at Conway Middle School. For me, teaching is a learning experience every day. It's exciting. I get to learn the students get to learn about me. Trying to find new ways to excite the students, get them motivated to learn and want to learn what I have to teach, and the health aspect and the physical education aspect of my job is exciting. Also athletic directing. I'm new to it. Every year I learn something new. It's exciting to watch our kids go out and give their all every time they get the chance to go out and represent the C on the court or on the field. So yes, it is a very exciting job. It's a demanding job, but I enjoy it and I love it thoroughly.
Hello, my name is Latoya Justice. I work here at the Conway Middle School, which we call the C, and I'm the head custodian here. We have this excellent program going on today, helping the students, the kids, and the faculty also. And also, I have big engagements with the children all day long throughout the school day. And I love them. We love each other. We're a big family here. In the gym, we actually have the program going on, the food program, the nutrition, the healthy food, the taking the sugars and all this out of the bad foods, and just basically letting the kids know that you need to eat more healthy.
All right, you can reach me at CEO@abc2nc.org, or you can call, text 252-673-5080, or go to our website, www.abc-2.net. That's www.abc-2.net. Thank you.